Alexamaster.
Hello guys, welcome back to Alexamaster community channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find freelance partner on Alexamaster. We are standing at the main interface of Alexamaster. Next, we click on Earn Points and Join Small Jobs. Click Add New to view your profile. You need 3,000 points to publish your job offer. Choose which field do you want to do. If you do not sure what should you write in these blanks, just click on the question mark. Write your job title, which have to be more than 30 letters. With the job description, please try to write enough 150 letters. And choose how long would you finish your task. Read the terms of service and click on the box. Next, submitting your jobs. But we are not done yet. You have to write some instructions for your partners. It will be helpful if you write it clearly and sufficiently. Also, you are not able to change or correct the above content, so check everything twice. Click Publish and confirm again. Then clicking Publish Now button. And now just wait for the moderator approve your offer. If you want to know more about your offer situation, you can check at the job list. And in case you have any problem with the above steps, please contact us.
Alexamaster.